Welcome to Getting Started with Sage Skills Student Success. In this brief tutorial, we'll go over how to access Sage Skills Student Success, what kind of information is available in this database, and how to navigate through a module. Let's get started. Visit the library's website at lib.purdue.edu to access the A to Z list of databases. You'll find Sage Skills Student Success on this list. Sage Skills Student Success empowers students to learn the practical academic and personal skills needed to thrive in the higher education environment and beyond through comprehensive modules that are relevant across all courses and disciplines. Modules include academic integrity and referencing, communications and interpersonal skills, critical thinking, data literacy and diversity, bias, and impacting change, among others. This is the Sage Skills Student Success homepage where you can search for a specific skill or browse individual modules. If you aren't sure where to begin, you can take a brief self-assessment that can help you identify strengths and knowledge gaps, helping you to find content tailored to your needs. Let's take a closer look at one of the modules. We'll choose the Communication and Interpersonal Skills module. At the top of the page, you'll find an overview that introduces the topic, along with some key points and skills that will be covered within the module. Each module is broken down into smaller sections that focus on a specific skill. Skills are designed in a way that allows you to complete as many as you like, in any order. As you move through the individual sections of a skill, you'll interact with multiple content types from scenarios that may include brief quizzes with immediate feedback, videos, and figures and tables where applicable. Near the top of each section and the top of each page, you'll find options to generate a citation or download the content as a PDF. Keep in mind that you should always double-check auto-generated citations for errors. You can also choose to save content to your Sage list if you are signed into your Sage Knowledge account. If you don't have a Sage Knowledge account, you can set up a profile using the My Profile button in the upper right corner. This will allow you to return to saved content and searches and review self-assessments. Now you know how to access Sage Skills Student Success, what kind of information is available within this database, and how to navigate through a module. For more information and other business-related resources, visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt. If you have any questions, contact the Parish Library at parlib@purdue.edu. Thanks for watching.